First, we need to install the Anthropic Python library. This package provides all the tools we need to communicate with Claude's API. Open your terminal and run this pip install command. Now let's import the Anthropic library and create a client. You'll need to replace the placeholder with your actual API key from the Anthropic console. This client object will handle all our communication with Claude. Here we send our first message to Claude. We specify the model we want to use, set a maximum token limit for the response, and provide our message in a list format. The role is set to user because we're the one asking the question. Finally, we print Claude's response. The response comes back as a message object, and the actual text is inside the content array. We access the first item and get its text property to see what Claude said back to us. Here's the complete working example altogether. This script imports the library, creates a client, sends a question to Claude asking it to explain what an API is, and then prints the response. You can modify the content string to ask Claude anything you'd like.